front of the truck, we have a front bumper toolbox with 3 compartments. Top latch open. Pintle hook and an optional 2-inch receiver. D-rings for towing. License plate holder. Strobe lights in the corners, and then rail directional lights, red for the rear of the vehicle and white for the direction of travel. With the truck body, first compartment is our inverter compartment. 3,000 watt inverter, power strip for charging bank, and the rechargeable battery for the radio. GFI circuit box for the 110 outlets on the rear and opposite side of the truck. Underneath, battery compartment, fuses and main shutoff for all OEM controls. Storage compartments from here on back with adjustable hooks and lighting. Full chalk holder. Here we have a functional tail shelf that functions as a hot stick storage compartment. Tail shelf for with vise for working on equipment out in the field. Same lights back here, strobes on the ends, red brake lights, which also function as our tail lights on rail, and then we have white directional lights for the direction of travel when on rail. Also, when on rail, we have optional reversing headlights for seeing in the direction of travel. Tow hooks on this end as well, along with pintle. 6-pin and 7-pin trailer hookups. And a park brake override. The switch here is for turning the hydraulics on and off. It's a PTO stop only. And then we have a start-stop button for starting and stopping the truck remotely. And this can be held to turn on the electric emergency pump. Okay. To enter the bed of the truck from here, deployable steps. Get up. There's also a removable bodyboard for ease of access. Shelf and bed are also equipped with lights for night work. Staircase for entering the platform is fitted out with rope lights. At night, helps the operators see the steps getting in and out of the platform. And then a hanging swinging step for ease of access when on track. Rear of the vehicle, we have the controls for the handrail, manual lockout pins for the rotation, and a platform latch so you can latch the platform during transport. This side, you remove the bodyboard so pallets and other things can be stored in the bed of the truck. This truck also comes with a removable toolbox. Looks very similar to this front compartment. Places in here and locks in with these pins. At the front of the truck, we have a pantograph. We can fit these trucks with a pantograph to suit the needs of the track operator. Behind the pantograph is our wire manipulators. This truck is fitted out with 2 wire manipulators for manipulating the messenger wire and the contact wire changing out insulators or arms to poles. Main control box for the truck is located on the driver's side, just behind the cab. Upper and lower control switch is right here. Lower controls allows the lower controls on the panel here to operate the platform raise and lower, and to be able to stow the pantograph. All other controls are located exclusively on the transmitter. The manual controls overriding any hydraulic functions are located behind this panel and up near the wire manipulators. For the platform, we have a switch that electronically locks out the curbside or street side of the rotation in case of working near parallel tracks. Main hydraulic manifold. This lets you select where oil flow is going while the PTO is on. The upper position is for the platform and manipulators. Middle position allows you to run the rail gear. The lower position is an optional position for auxiliary functions such as a capstan, if equipped. Otherwise, is an open circuit. High pressure oil filter here with the indicator, rail gear control valves, and the rail gear control valves at the rear of the truck. It's equipped with air pins for the rail lock pins. Platform is rated for 2 kV. It has 6 insulators, isolating it from the sub-platform to the platform floor. There are no physical electrical connections above that point. On the radio transmitter and on the platform, we have a park brake dump valve, which allows the operator to apply the parking brake anytime that the vehicle is in operation. Just in case there's inadvertent movement of the truck, you can apply the park brake and stop the truck. This feature can be overridden from the cab of the truck. The platform sits at 10 feet. It is sitting on top of an elevator. The elevator is capable of raising the platform 10 feet, which puts us at a 20-foot platform floor height or a 25 to 26-foot working height. At the front and rear of the platform, we have a gate that can be lowered so that the working height of the messenger and contact wires can be lower for the operators in the platform. Bringing the contact wire to basically waist height. The remote control for this truck is a compact unit, and the safety feature is only allowing the function that is selected to be operated at a time. The main selector switch here is a four-way rotary switch for pantograph, wire manipulators, platform, or rail drive mode. When in these modes, none of the other functions will work other than the selected position. For the rail drive, we look for the blue section. Blue section indicates drive speed and brakes, gear selection, and then we have feedback showing which gear that the truck is actually currently in. For the platform, the center joystick operates the platform raise and lower function, as well as clockwise and counterclockwise rotation. Wire manipulators. Boom 1 is in the upper left quadrant. Boom 2 is in the upper right. Boom up and down. Telescope out and in. And travel left and right. Towards the street side, towards the curb side. The same functions for boom 2. For the pantograph, simple function, up and down toggle switch, up or down. And then also on the radio is a park brake dump valve, which when the radio is connected and the truck is turned on, is always capable of applying the park brakes to prevent inadvertent movement of the truck. We can honk the horn, and we can also disconnect the radio here. Connection of the radio with on and off, and then we have a PTO, which is our push to operate for the radio transmitter. As on the truck, we have a stop-start feature here. If the stop-start feature is used to stop the truck and then held for 5 seconds or more, the emergency pump will kick in, allowing the functions to be stowed.